What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock. Guys, the price action. Are we still bullish? Well, we'll talk about all of that. I'm seeing some sell-off. Well, we had FOMC meeting today, and or the conference call, and well, things went up, and then things sold off across the whole market. But Tesla, as for its price action, let's take a look at, are we still in the bullish structure, or is the school of will it continue to happen, and will the structure then start to become bearish? Like, how do we even read this thing now, right? So we'll take a look at that. I'll take you over a couple of news and articles as well that we have. Most of it, some of it is just a news, and rest is they are just trying to create fear. I'll talk about that as well, and then I'll take you some options data as well here. With that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So the first article we have is Tesla is pulling back from EV charging, and the rest, second part of it, is just a fear. Just don't too much put emphasis on it. It says, and people are freaking out. It's just the way Wall Street is just trying to create a fear sentiment, right? But yeah, Tesla is pulling back from EV charging. Well, what the news is in summary is that they have cut down some, they have laid off the department, but Elon did say that they are not going to slow down, and it's just more or less that is the cost cutting measure that they are doing for the company's financial health. We have this another article, Tesla backs away from gigacasting innovation. And what it says is that Tesla has retreated from its plan for innovations in its gigacasting manufacturing process, citing two unnamed sources. Reuters is the one that is just hates Elon. It was last autumn when the company decided to stop work on the one-piece casting process. The company is sticking with its more proven three-piece process of casting car underbodies, according to the report. Tesla didn't reply to the comment. Okay. What else we have? We have Tesla human resource executive leaving, and Tesla North American executive human resource is no longer with the company. They're not sure if it was led for the broader, job cuts because of that or something else. But yeah, Tesla has been cutting off. Well, when Meta cuts off, it's very good, but when Tesla cuts off, it's not good. It's for it's gonna help the company make money more, right? Saving costs, but. Anyways, those are just some of the high-level, things that we have. Now, speaking of the technicals first, then we'll go over the options data. So we are still seeing this cool off continue, and in the post-market, we are at 179 and 43 cents. So almost we have, guys, lost this blue box range where I wanted this to hold, right? And this is what we have been talking about, that this is a pullback. This has to be treated as a pullback. And I said that below $180, 184 and 180, below that, though it's still in a pullback because we are above 50 days and 20 days moving average, and the structure is still technically bullish, I'm willing to give it 175 as the last line of keeping the structure bullish and a pullback. So yes, but weakness is there now. Okay, we lost 184 fully today, and we rejected over there. I'll take you to the lower interval in just a second, but yes, this pullback now is turning stronger pullback at least, and I'm still giving it a pullback only to the technicals as long as we are still above 175. If we lose that, I will have to say that structure, at least right now, is not full on bullish, but we still, as long as we hold above 164, we are still in the positive territory, but not as if this is just a pullback in this current trend, right? Then we will have to take it as potential if it forms inverted head and shoulder here, right? But no, but the thing is that if from here we want to continue higher without going much lower, this is the last line of defense, 50 days moving average and 175 on this. So, but yeah, until then, I'm still taking a pullback. I want to, if I can see a green candle tomorrow and we go above 184, that's what will confirm this upside continuation as well. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about that there, a couple of things. So On hourly interval, I drew this trend line yesterday that this could be, we first need to get out above it to continue higher. We did that, but then, and then we formed another one, but we lost it today again, right? We lost it. So in the current price structure, there is still weakness on intraday on Tesla. For today, well, we did go up. It's not that we didn't. With the, that's the thing, right? With the FOMC meeting, everything went up and then everything sold off. Tesla is doing a quite a stronger reaction as well in the sell-off. It's just completely gave up all these support zones as well, right? The $180 it was holding quite nicely, but then it just now gave it up, right? So let's go back to the hourly interval. So we are looking at what now in the on the hourly interval. So Tesla has a room to continue to cool off. I don't need this trend line as well here now. Tesla, yes, tomorrow, guys, if we can't recapture above 180, Tesla is looking to the downside to me. And then you're watching $175. This is where the support, if it has to come, it should come here. Otherwise, we have a little bit of a problem. But yeah, right now it's looking to the downside, and we are quite extended away from 200 hours moving average. So I'm expecting that's also a part of the reason this cool off is coming, but we shouldn't lose 175, guys. That's where 50 days moving average support we need to hold. And for the bullish sign on this, so that's the intraday play as well right now. Okay, it's there tomorrow. A possible downside can come if Tesla can't recapture $180 and above. And not just that, I would want to see Tesla above 20 hours moving average as well tomorrow before any upside play can be played. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Actually, things will get much clearer. I can give you much more precise level over there for the upside play intraday. Okay, 180 is the first thing you need to recapture tomorrow if you want to play an upside play. And then I would say that will open up the door to 182. But for the further continuation above, we need to break out above $182 range. This is the zone we need to get out of, because this is where I'm seeing the prior supports turned resistance today, quite a lot resistance. So we need, for intraday confirmation to the upside, 180 above can give you $182 play, but if you want to trade above that, then 182 above we need to get out to the upside. That would be, otherwise if we can't recapture 180, then we're gonna plummet lower tomorrow. 175 is a possibility. If we can get above 180 but can't go above 182, that is still fine. That will just put us in a choppiness, but that's a good consolidation that we want to see in this blue box. It's unfortunate that Tesla fell lower of this blue box as well today. So you have the intraday levels, intraday plays, how this thing could be taken. But on the swing, as I said, I'm still giving it just a pullback until 175. And below that, for me, it's a little bit of a breakout structure. And then we will have to again wait for the newer price action to develop. But yeah, so we rejected at the top of the channel. Unfortunately, we couldn't have a right away follow through. And these pullbacks are getting deeper and deeper. So that's the price action. According to the structure, guys, it's all about risk management, portfolio sizing in and out. As I showed you, my swing bot already gave the sell signal on that profitable buy position that was at entry at 155. We got the sell signal yesterday. So the swing position is profitable. We didn't get any new position yet on the swing side. So, I'm also counting on that, where that would come. So, but that's that. If you need access to my tools, the ones that you see in my videos and everything, links to my tools are in the description below of this video, guys. Okay, so that's Tesla, and this is how I'm reading it. Now let's take a look at options data. So nothing much has changed, guys. We do see $200 calls increase quite a lot yesterday. We also see that increase a little bit more today. I'm not seeing much changes on the put sides. So puts has been very constant as it is from the weekend. Calls $200 are coming in strong, and then I also see some calls strong at 195. I do see some puts increase. No, not increase. Puts decrease. I'm not seeing puts change much actually, but calls are increasing, but they are not making money. But that's just on the options front. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. I'll be doing other videos as always. QQ Spy that will be coming out as well. And yeah, well, let's take a look at QQ and Spy, guys. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna get time, but I'll try to do it. I'm not sure if I'll get time to cover tech stocks, but let's take a look at QQ here. So we, as I have been saying, we are just in that, rebound is turning into continuation of the sell-off, and that's pretty much what is happening, guys. And the rebound was over at that blue box. That's why I had that blue box, and we are selling off. This is the area 421 and 65, since that bulls needs to hold tomorrow if they want to continue to push up. Otherwise, 200 days moving average, watch that. And then taking a look at SPY, and SPY also is rejecting at that that rebound, rejected at 507. And SPY also has a room to continue lower, guys. 200 days moving average is a possibility on SPY as well. So yep, that's that, guys, with QQ and SPY as well. So yeah, they're looking weak, and just as I have been saying, this is just a rebound. Intraday's rebounds we have been getting, but nothing more than that. On swing, we are still, there is a potential we'll be rejecting in this area. Zone $507 is what I called out. And you can see today also we rejected. FOMC meeting took it higher. And don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. My day trading bot still made the money on it. Let me show you. I'm not complaining about anything, guys. I'm making money both sides, up or down. This was the day trading bot, right? But you can see where it rejected at $507. The price action, that's the level I was talking, right? That's just a rebound, nothing more than that. And I can show you QQ as well. Again, I'm not complaining about QQ as well. I'm making money on QQ as well. Look at it. You can see the last 30 trades that are on the left side by my day trading bot. And yeah, made good money. No problem there. That's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. If you need access to my tools, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. All right, take care, guys. Bye.